Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Beginnings! Is your computer cluttered with apps you don't use? In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall apps in Windows 11 quickly and easily, even if you've never done it before. Let's dive right in! Click the Start button, then click the gear icon for Settings, or just type Settings into search. On the left-hand side, click Apps, then choose Installed Apps. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the app. Click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. You'll be asked to confirm, click Uninstall again, and the app will be removed. You can also uninstall apps directly from the Start menu. Just click Start, find the app, right-click it, and choose Uninstall. This method is super fast for simple apps. Some apps might open an uninstaller window. Just follow the steps to complete it. If the app doesn't uninstall, try restarting your PC and trying again. And that's it. Now you know how to clean up your system by removing apps you no longer need. Next up, I'll show you how to check your computer's name and basic system details. If this helped, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next simple Windows 11 tip. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.